then we shall give comments. We shall give comments later, and also areas of improvement based on the recording, because we shall take a lot of time if we do it now. Okay?
Okay.
Yes, yes.
And
So I think the group can start.
Okay, so Group 21 can start. Yes, so the project status presentation. Originally, Laura Aaltio, our project manager, was tasked with this, but unfortunately, she had a work emergency that she needed to attend. So I'll be doing the presentation. So if we delve into our agentic AI solution, Aura, it's primarily focusing on solving the issue in the existing mental wellness applications that depend too much on the user initiative, like data input and that kind of things. And that's something that unmotivates people, and it's hard to follow through. So our solution is to use proactive AI wellness companion that identifies, for example, the stress patterns and supports users at the right time. And the goal of Aura is to bridge the gap between wellness intention and action through context-aware personalized assistance. So the key cornerstones of Aura is ethics, because we are dealing with personal data. Then technical milestones, because the ambition is great. And then we need to have a user validation so that there is actual need for this, and business viability, so that this is actually a profitable venture. And the progress and key achievements that we have achieved during this time is to define clear project scope and functional requirements. We have completed stakeholder and user group analysis and drafted requirements and UI structure with a traceability system. And we have built risk, quality, and change management frameworks to support this initiative, and all scheduled deliverables have been met for the status report. And the stakeholders and their roles in the Aura engagements are the end users, the ethics advisory board, which oversees the privacy and mental health standards and keeps us accountable. Of course, the development team with engineers, designers, and project leads, the beta testers that provide us valuable data to ensure great product market fit, and as well as the investors and seed funders that ensure that our project can be realized in its original vision. And here is one practical use case. So, for example, the user has back-to-back meetings in their calendar, Aura detects a potential stress peak and schedules a short break, dims smart lights, and plays a calming playlist automatically, which will empower and support the user without needing to open the application. And this is the main difference compared to similar applications in the field, such as the Calm app. And the team is shown here. So me, myself, Tyko Niemi as the requirements lead, Laura Aaltio as the project plan manager, Ivan Bobko as a UI designer. Then we have had, I think it's very natural in all of the projects that some people drop off. And I think Chavki has been very unactive in this engagement. So we feel that he is no longer part of the team. And then we have the Sasid Mahmood responsible for the documentation and review, and Ching He for the stakeholder and user research. And that was it.
Okay, thank you. And I have a question about the project. About what did you learn from the project, or which knowledge points you have learned in class have you applied into this project of yours, of your group?
We have approached this from like implementing, for example, Scrum and very rigorous feature kind of discovery and requirements gathering space or phase. And I think that has been the majority of the event. In a sense, we are a little bit deviating from the original guidelines, because this is not just an app, it's a system. And for example, mobile applications are just representations of the system. So the system can exist without the mobile applications.
Okay. And is there any other questions from teacher? Hello, Professor. Do you have some questions? Okay. Sure. So the next group on the Excel, the next group is group 20. Are you there? Group 20. Thank you for your
Yes.
presentation. Okay.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. So I'll just share my screen now.
Sure.
Right.
Yes, I can see your screen.
Okay. So let me
Okay.
know when I should start.
Okay, you can start.
Okay. So our application is QR Pro, which is Scan, Create, and Thrive. There are 6 points to this, which is the first one is vision and scope. The second is stakeholder and user map. These two I will be handling. And the last four, another member of our group will handle these last four. The first point is vision and scope. QR Pro was born from a simple observation. People use QR codes for many things. For example, scanning, creating, tracking, but often need multiple apps to do it. QR Pro brings all of that into one unified experience. It's a progressive web app, which means it works seamlessly on all platforms, including iOS, Android, and the web, all from a single code base. This not only makes development faster, but also ensures a consistent experience for all users. We are also responding to a growing market demand for customizable QR codes, something that's useful for everyone from freelancers to educators. Our MVP is already defined and frozen, focusing on three core features, which is scanning, generating, and history management. We believe this is the foundation for something truly scalable. That was point one, and now we're moving to point two. Understanding our stakeholders has been key. Everyday users want speed and no ads. Small businesses want bulk branded QR codes for marketing. Investors are looking for recurring revenue and scalability. Our app influences our visibility and revenue, and media can make or break our reputation. So basically, this is like everyone can use this app. This is an everyday app that's free and is free of ads. We've also defined two key user personas: business users who need advanced features like logos and analytics, and students who want affordability and simplicity. This helps us build with real people in mind. And this was my part of the presentation, and the rest of it, Ye Kuang will take it from here. So yeah, I
Okay.
can stop sharing.
Okay, thank you, Dennis. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can
Yes,
hear
yes,
you.
we can hear you.
Okay. So I will share my. Yeah. Okay. Can I see the screen?
Yes, I
Yes,
can
yes, we
see
can
it.
see it.
Okay. So let's continue. This part is about technical blueprint. On the technical side, we are using Angular and Capsiter. Angular lets us build efficient, tree-shakeable bundles, while Capsiter gives us native device access, like the camera, without overhead of a traditional application. And for the backend, we are using Firebase for real-time data and authentication, and Script for secure payments. This setup let us focus on the user experience while leaving scalability and compliance to trusted platforms. And we also get clear performance goals. And 95% scan success rate in under 200 milliseconds, zero crashes, and core tasks completed within 15 seconds. This ensures QR Pro is not just functional, but fast and reliable. And the second part is about progress snapshot. We have made strong process in just 4 weeks. In week 1, we finalized the scope and user personas. Week 2, we locked in low fidelity Figma prototypes. By week 3, we had a working Angular shell with Capsiter, scanning live QR codes on both Android and iOS. And in week 4, we reached 17% unit test coverage and set up a CI pipeline for multi-platform builds. We are on track and moving fast. And next is our team roles. I think none of this would be possible without our dedicated team. And Lucy Martin leads as our software engineer, and Katanari handles research and development, and me ensures the quality through testing, and Dennis designs the UI and UX, and Kuzma develops the backend, and Edu builds the front end. Each role is crucial, and together we are building QR Pro from the ground up. And the last part is the use case. We have listed three examples. The first is event management. An event organizer creates custom QR code for ticket validation and attendance tracking with real-time analytics on participant flow. And the next is hotel self-service. Hotels place QR codes in rooms and for guests to access Wi-Fi password, request services, or checkout, improving operational efficiency. And the last is museum guides. Museums implant QR codes next to exhibit. Visitors scan to access audio guides, additional images, or historical content in their preferred language. And it's last. Thank you for listening.
Okay, thank you. And did you mention the use case of your application?
Yeah, the last part is our application to use where can use our application.
What's the main difference between your application and some other QR code scanner? Because I know many other applications like our phone camera also can scan the QR code. What's the difference?
I think our application is more convenient, or we don't have any advertisement, and it will the advertisement will make some customers annoyed. So we delete that, and we we that's more.
Well, like the scanning is not the main feature of this app. The main feature is like creating various QR codes. Scanning is kind of like for old phones that cannot scan QR code with their camera yet. That's like a side feature, not a main one.
Okay. And which knowledge points do you have learned in class, and have you applied into this project of your group? So what did you learn from it, from the project, from doing the project?
I think we learn most is the communication. Our group member is from another country. But we have a good communication. It make our opinion to clash with each other, and it will make our application will be better to show to the customers.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for sharing.
Yep, thank you.
And the next group on the Excel is group, I think it's group 4. Is it group 4? The next group?
It's us.
Yes, it's you. Well, are you group 4?
We are group 13.
13. Okay.
Yes.
You're group 13. Sure. And you can share your screen.
Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see it.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. Hello, everyone. Today, I'm excited to present our innovative project, Easy Health. It's a remote healthcare application designed to make medical service more accessible, convenient, and user-friendly for everyone, especially those who faced challenges in visiting traditional healthcare centers. Oh, sorry, this is the first slide. Yes. And our Easy Health has app idea, team introduction, overview of the application, stakeholders, and user groups. Our app focuses on delivering remote healthcare solutions. It's detailed and is tailored for patients with mobility issues or disabilities, individuals living in remote or rural areas, and anyone who struggled to travel due to age, like age illness, or in Finland, it has long winters with the road covers with ice. So with Easy Health, patient can receive medical consultations from the comfort of their homes, reduce stress, travel time, and exposure to harsh weather conditions, all while maintaining high quality care. And this is our group members. Okay, the next one.
Overview of the application. So our project develops a remote healthcare app that helps both sides, patient and the doctors. And for patients, we provide online consultations, health monitoring, prescription management, like daily things for healthcare sector. And for doctors, also we help like dealing with daily things like review patient history, document consultations, efficiency. Like this app helps in that side, and we designed this app in a simplest way possible, so every age can use this app, and it addresses challenges like mobility issues, remote locations, and harsh finish winters. Because in winters, we do not think that everyone can go to hospital while they're sick for prescription or to buy medicines and stuff like that. And I think that our app expands healthcare access and increase patient satisfaction. So because they help in daily things, and if people can handle their stuff in health easier, their satisfaction go up, we think.
So here's our stakeholders. Obviously, our primary stakeholders are patients because they want easy, reliable access to doctors, prescription management, and reduced hospital visits to save time, reduce travel challenges, and receive care in a more convenient way. Our other stakeholders are doctors and nurses. They want to use our app because they want a streamlined tool to manage their schedules, access patient data, prescribe medications, and provide care virtually. And our other stakeholders are insurance companies. They want early intervention and preventive care options for their customers to reduce costs associated with emergency visit and hospitalizations. And our other stakeholders are administrative staff. They want to use our app because they want simplified appointment booking, billing, and records management to improve their operational efficiency and reduce errors in day-to-day management. And our other stakeholders are wearable device makers because they have a lot to benefit us from and they can make money out of it.
Well, the main user of our app will be elderly user, who has mobility issues or like not comfortable to move to see the doctor now and then. So those are actually the elderly people mostly, and also some other people like who has some mobility issues or disabilities. They can also use this app. These two are actually the main user of main customer or the user of the app, and also the rural residents who has not comfortable to move from their place to see the doctor at far distance or something like that. So these are the main users. Also, this app can be used by the working professionals or busy individuals who have busy schedules to do a regular checkup for their health, and then the doctors and healthcare providers and administrative staff, insurance partner are the service provider. So they have to use the app as well to provide a comfortable and convenient service to their patients. And also pharmacists should have the access to the prescription to give the medicine or deliver the medicine. And there can be some premium user who can pay something and get some extra benefit or something like that. Yeah.
Okay, our project has a few clear goals. First, we want to make healthcare more accessible for people who can't easily visit a clinic. The idea is to help patients connect with doctors quickly and easily from anywhere. We also aim to reduce the workload for healthcare workers and make the process less stressful for patients. Another important goal is to build trust by ensuring strong data protection between patients and doctors. We are creating a simple, user-friendly app that anyone can use no matter what their age is. And finally, the project supports doctors with practical tools for managing patient data and prescriptions. Okay, and that's all from our slide. Our motto is simple: happy customer, happy us. So thank you for listening.
Okay, thank you. Very good presentation. And one question about that is, what did you learn? Also, what did you learn from the project? So, do you have some knowledge learned from class into the project? Could you explain it to me?
Yes, I learned how to communicate with the group members, but the most important is I learned how to design the applications, like use the agile models and like use some use some like method of the agile model like to test to design this app. Yes.
Okay, what else? Is there some other thing you learned from the project?
While we were all developing the idea, I've learned that it's important to put customer needs first and also like doing stuff as a team, like those skills I've learned.
Okay, thank you. And the next group, thank you for sharing.
Thank you.
The next group, group 7, right? Group 7 are there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ming, do I have the slides because I don't have them? Wait, just
Okay.
a second. I think we have a problem with the slides a little bit.
So you have the problem with the slide, right? So could I let another group to come first?
Well, sure. I think makes sense. Yeah.
Okay. And group 11, I was there. Could you do the presentation first?
Yeah. We're here, but I'm share our document.
Okay.
But can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see it.
Oh, okay.
Go ahead.
Okay. Hold on. Hello. We are group 11, and today I'm here to share our project. Our project called National Noma. Is a fitness and motivation mobile app. Our main goal is simple, that we could to help people stay consistent with their workouts, to stay motivated and achieve their fitness goals. For now, Nationoma isn't just another fitness tracker. It's smarter, it's more social and more fun. It's bringing together AI-based personalized workouts and activity tracking and social challenges to keep user engaged and motivated. So what our users can actually do with the National Noma? We think they can set their fitness goals and track their daily activity, and they also could automatically record the workout through the Google Fit or Apple Health. User can check their progress on a dashboard, join social changes, and even compare results on the leaderboards with their friends. And for the premium user, we offer AI-generated personalized workout plans and more advanced tracking features. Also, when users open our app, they'll start with a simple login and registration system powered by Firebase, ensuring the security. And after logging in, they'll see a dashboard. They'll see a dashboard that shows the daily steps, the calories burned, and the workout summarize. For their users also can explore different workouts to join challenges or check their AI recommendation. And we designed the interface to be more clean, motivating, and easy to use. And after usability testing, we improved the layout to make navigation even more smoother. And looking back at this stage, we are proud that our login system and Google Fit integration work really well. And the overall UI felt both functional and motivating. Of course, we also faced some challenges, especially with the AI and communicative features, which took more time than we expect. In our next iteration, we plan to finish AI testing and expand social features like challenges and leaderboards, and keep improving the user interface based on feedback. And to sum up, our Noma is designed to make fitness personalized and social and consistent, which we really believe this app can help people to stay motivated and make fitness a nature part of their everyday life. So that's all. Thank you for your listening, and we learned something about with the Keep and the Google Health. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. And I have some questions. First is, why did you choose this project idea?
Because in our team member, we all believe that fitness and motivation are important to us, and we saw a real need for more personalized and engaging application. So we designed this app. Yeah.
Okay. And what did you learn from the project? You mean you have mentioned that you learn something from Keep and Google Fit. So is there some other part you learned from this course and you use it into your project?
Yeah, we used many methods that we learned in the course, like the requirements analysis, like the stakeholders mapping, and the system design. We practiced the agile teamwork, testing, and documentation, and this help us to develop this application from this course. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you for sharing.
Okay.
And group 7, are you okay? Can I do the
Yeah,
presentation now?
I think we should be ready now.
Okay, thank
Let
you.
me see if I can share my screen. That's the only.
Sure.
Second. Sorry, somehow it threw me out of the meeting now, but let me try this again. Can you see my screen now?
Yes, I can see it.
Okay, good. So, hello, my name is Jan, and I'm sort of the acting project manager of our group. And just to go through this short introduction of what the actual problem we're trying to solve is that currently, most travel apps only focus or seem to focus on one single function, whether it's only booking flights or only basic navigation and like day-to-day travel. So what this means is that travels often have to switch between different or many different apps to plan and manage only maybe a single trip. And what our idea is to combine everything into one single platform, which is one app that helps you plan, book, and navigate your journey easily, with also having including smart recommendations along the way. And what we basically want to do is would like to make travel as simple and as stress-free as possible. And now to go into the concept or the planning part. Initially, when we started the project, the first goal, apart from, of course, requirements and sort of user need mapping, was to build the working prototype that shows the main features of the app. We focused on building the core structure first, so destination search, itinerary planning, and booking. And we also one of the requirements we noticed was that it's important to have a clean and easy to use user interface. So we wanted to really focus on that, trying to get the experience for the user as easy and stress-free as possible. And we also wanted to set up a version control in GitHub and did some user research on top of it to further understand what the traveler, or whether it's an international travel or whether it's a local travel, or what they really need and want in an application like this. So our plan was very practical. We built the foundation first and then wanted to keep improving it in later iterations. And now on to our other team member. I'll pass it on. He will go through a little bit of stakeholder analysis, use cases, and also the team.
Is the end?
Yeah, I think he's here. Hello?
Yes.
Oh, I hope his mic is working.
And
Just go back one. Mingjuan, are you here?
so another group member, Ji Mingchuan, are you there?
Sorry, can you hear me?
Yes, I can
Yes.
hear you. We can hear you.
Okay. Let's look at our stakeholders analysis. We identify the several key stakeholders. First, the users, travelers, and the commenters who will actually use the app. Second, our project team responsible for development and quality assurance. Third, the API partners like flight, hotel, and transport service providers. Then we have advertisers and investors who help us with funding the monetization. And finally, cloud providers like AWS, ensuring the system is scalable and stable. All of them together make this project realistic and sustainable. Okay, next to the user case. Now here's a short example of how the app works for a user. Imagine a tourist. They open the app, enter their destination, and instantly get flight and hotel options. Then they can create a full itinerary, check local transportation routes and even get real-time updates about delays or weather. We designed this flow to be as smooth as possible. From planning to traveling, all in one place, it's like having a personal travel assistant in your pocket. And next, team description. Finally, our team, we have 6 members from different countries and backgrounds, so it's a very international team. Okay,
Okay,
that's all.
thank you. And I have some questions.
Okay.
Have you ever applied some knowledge you learned from this course into this project?
Yeah, you can. What?
I think I can answer. I think at
Okay.
least in the project, I think we really started to, or we really wanted to take a user-centric approach with this. We really wanted to go really find out what the requirements in different user groups are, since there are a bunch of different travelers, different needs for travelers, whether it's local or international. So I think sort of the requirements engineering part was directly applicable, and also just from a project standpoint, I think communication and just actually projects, like you might have a plan at first, but then you have to be also ready to be flexible and change it as the project goes on. So I think at least from the team as well, we had a couple of changes even with the roles and what people really ended up doing or being assigned to. In the end, I think those were two things that we focused and really found from the course material and everything else.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you for presentation.
Thank you.
And I think there's no other group. Okay. And teacher, and there's no other group, so there are only 5 groups in today's session. So I stop the recording. Okay.